Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to properly use necklace and pendant virtual try-on version 2. The biggest difference in version 2 is that you can resize your jewelry, pendant or necklace on a model so it will be rendered correctly. Because it's for AI, sometimes it's hard to understand the actual size, especially for necklaces or pendants that doesn't have full chain visible. So you can control length and size. I'll show you how. First step is to choose the model. Before you upload your jewelry, you have to select model. It's required here, and you can use your own image or choose from one of our images. But keep in mind that model shouldn't have any other jewelry. For example, let's select this model. Second step is to select your jewelry, upload your jewelry. Let's say you have an image like this. It may be a retouched image, maybe not retouched, it's fine, it will work. However, since this application first will remove background from the image, it should be on a plain background, so it will be easily background that can be easily removed. First time it will take a little bit more time than right now, and it will remove background and place it like this. So how to place on the model? Even if you have partially visible pendant, for example, pendant here is visible, but there is no chain visible, right? It's just a part of it. What you do, let's rotate it a little bit, and now it's about size of the pendant. So let's say size somewhere like this, and then the length, how high it should be on the model. If you put it like this, it's completely fine. It will be on the neck, on the top of the neck. If you put it like this, it will be on the close to the bottom of the neck. So this way you can control the length of the chain. Let's put it somewhere here, for example, and hit done. That's it. Then output settings. These settings control the aspect ratio for the generation, either square or landscape or portrait. Let's select portrait for this. Output quality, it's not about resolution, it's about quality of the generation. Low, well, probably you don't need low, never need, but medium is good enough. But if you need highest possible, it's a little bit more credits, 10 more credits, but it's the highest possible quality for this AI model. Background, keep it opaque. This is the best for most of the time. Transparent is rarely needed. And output format, again, JPEG, it has compression, PNG doesn't have compression, WebP, I think it doesn't have compression either, but the best is PNG. And the last option here is lifestyle. When it's on, it will be image like this. When it's off, it will be on a white background. This slider will kind of tell you easily what to do. So, for example, let's keep lifestyle, considering the model has a white background. But if you keep lifestyle, we'll have some background on the model. And when you have lifestyle, it may be a good idea to enter some instructions. Important, it's very important. Many errors, I've seen users doing many errors by trying to instruct it how to put jewelry on a model. It's not needed. It's not even not needed. If you will tell it put this necklace or pendant without changing design colors on a model, that will be wrong. Model already knows what to do with the jewelry and the model. The only thing that you can enter here is, for example, in lifestyle environment, you may tell it where you want to see the model. For example, I want to enter instructions. So again, let's put model in the cafe. Then you can also change the look of the model. For example, you can tell here that she has red hair sitting in the cafe. So it's not a prompt, it's just an idea of what kind of environment and model look. You can override model look by putting some instructions. If you don't use it, it will be the model that will be looking similar to this one. It may change its appearance, it may change the pose, it may change many things, but the personality will be the one that you uploaded over here. Let's generate. Here we go. So as you can see, well, model looks like she sits in cafe. She has, well, hair a little bit reddish, similar to that model, but more red hair, right? The pendant where we placed it. And well, there is some it's lifestyle. This is how lifestyle look. Now you can download or send it to, well, for example, image to video generator, create beautiful video from it, or just hit regenerate and replace model or your jewelry. For example, if we switch lifestyle off, with all the same, except let's put it no prompt at all, and without lifestyle, generate. Here is the result. It's a white studio background, not completely white, it's different, but it's basically like white backdrop. And the model, because, well, she cannot be naked, so it already put some clothing on her, and we have our pendant. And if you like it, please submit it with positive rating. If you don't like it, submit it with negative or somewhere in between. This is very important for our quality assurance team, because every day we're looking through submissions and we're getting back to customers who submit bad review, trying to help to them. Thank you so much.